Introducing Twist. Packing hardware. The design of the Twist hard case means that there is only one way for it to be packed correctly. This helps not only to reduce damage in transit because no hardware can move, but also means you can quickly see if any components are missing. First, take each piece of upright in turn and place into the appropriate foam insert. Then slide each base either side of the graphics tubes. Then add the lights and the single hard case top. Finally, securely attach the lid onto the wheeled hard case.